The government will set up a National Automotive Council to facilitate implementation of the National Automotive Policy in a bid to boost the local motor vehicle assembly industry. President Uhuru Kenyatta, while launching a locally assembled Euro 4 Mitsubishi L200 pickup at State House, reiterated that the government is still committed to creating an enabling environment for the growth of the country's automotive industry towards being a predominant part of Kenyan economy.
According to the Ministry of Trade and Industry, the local Kenyan vehicle assembly industry has the capacity to produce 30,000 vehicles per annum, a huge margin from the current 6,000 units, accounting for less than 25% of the production capacity. It is for this reason that the Kenyan head of state encouraged stakeholders in the industry to continue working with the government to ensure it achieves its objectives of reviving and stabilizing the automotive sector.
My assurance and my commitment that we shall continue to work together to reach the targets that we envisioned way back there in 2019. And our determination to ensure that future governments also continue with the same policy.
He thanked Mitsubishi, Associated Vehicle Assembly AVA, and Simba Corporation for being true partners in the country's efforts in growing the industry. He noted that the country used to have one of the most vibrant automotive industries in the region. President Kenyatta said the government will remain steadfast in ensuring policies aimed at bolstering the growth of the industry continue to be implemented.
If your government does support it, we can work closely together and we can achieve things as a country and as an industry and move forward.
Alanauko, Prime Edition.
A round of